Hey there, welcome to Traffic Sense channel. We've got a quick nudge for today. Lesson 1, speeding beyond the limit and the real purpose of speed limits. You know, many drivers think speeding is the secret to saving time. But here's the truth. If you're already driving 70 miles per hour and another driver passes you at 80 or more, they usually just end up stuck behind the next group of cars. They gained nothing except for creating a hazard. Speeding doesn't really shorten your trip. Instead, it raises the chances of accidents, big tickets, higher insurance, medical bills, or worse, lives lost. Think about it. If you crash, you never reach your destination at all. The cost is far higher than the few minutes you thought you'd save. There is a way. Thanks for watching. Come back for more lessons soon. And support the channel by subscribing, sharing, and liking. Welcome to Traffic Sense channel. The real purpose of speed limits, part 2 of lesson 1. Speed limits aren't random numbers on a sign. They're set by engineers and safety experts who study road conditions, traffic flow, and accident data. These limits are carefully balanced between safety and efficiency. Ignoring them isn't a sign of skill. It's gambling with your life and others' lives. Watch side-by-side comparisons of speeding drivers versus those who stay at the limit. The speeding ones gain almost no time, but their risk goes through the roof. Conscious driving means realizing being fast doesn't mean arriving first. It can mean arriving last or not arriving at all. So drive to the limit, help traffic flow better, and show respect to your fellow drivers. Everyone's got somewhere to go. Be patient, considerate, and stay safe on the road. There is a way. Thanks for watching. Come back for more lessons soon, and support the channel by subscribing, sharing, and liking.